What is up, my people? Welcome back to Little Sharky channel. Back on the video guys for you guys, and today we're not on a game. Back here with the game with my truck, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hood off quick. Oh boy, she is a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all the grass out of here, and then I'm gonna put my Eco Power battery in here. I have to focus. There we go. Put my Eco Power battery in here, and then we're gonna run it a few laps. My other charger that came with the truck actually broke, so I'm actually having to deal with this right now. And then this is the only battery I can use right now because it's the only charger that works for that one. And then I'll get back to recording more because the battery here, it's a good battery. It takes 2 hours to charge it, and then someone's gotta be cutting grass while I'm recording the video. But yeah. So just get all this grass and stuff out of here, and then I'm gonna run it a few times and catch up some stuff on the channel. So okay, so now I have everything cleaned out of here. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and actually clean my body. So I'm gonna go in the house, get all the products and stuff that I'm gonna use to clean it. If I can find that one thing, which helps me out a lot, get all this right here off and stuff. Before the tall grass beats it, and all the little black beads that are in it. Oh. Really? Rainwater in that? It's alright. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead inside and get the stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we are back. I got a cup of water, which you can just wash the toothbrush off that we're going to use to clean it with. And then we're going to use this to dust it off. So, and then we got a cup of soap there. And then I'm just going to grab the body here. And we're going to do the inside too because it's kind of nasty. And then we'll do the outside as well. So, go ahead and move this out of the way and then we'll get that in gear. So since this is actually just stuck into it because the last time I drove it, I usually clean the body out and stuff after I drive my truck. So the last time I didn't do it, and I didn't know it was that bad. So I'm going to go ahead and get it good and wet. And then, yeah, so like I said, we just poured some water on each side, and then we're just going to get the brush real good and wet. And then we're going to stick it in the soap and alright, I'll show you guys after I get done with this. Okay, so I said screw it and just went ahead and did the whole front. Now, it's not perfect. I mean, there's a few things in there stuck. I just take my fingernail to it while I'm rinsing it off. And just see how it looks. Yeah. You know, actually, it looks a lot better than it did. So, go ahead and do the mid section, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the rear. So, this video won't be 60,000 minutes long. So, okay, so I'm done doing that. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off of there, and then show you guys that. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the body, the outside of the body. Now, before you guys start saying stuff in the comments about this, this is a soft tip bristle toothbrush. As you guys can see, it's not going to scratch it. I made sure of that, and we're good on that. So, yes, I know it's going to get dirty again after I drive it, but I mean, it'll look better than it did. So, and all this stuff's going to get back on there too. But what I'm going to do, start doing is take a wet, damp cloth and just go over it. So, I'm going to go ahead and spray this top side off real easy so I can get all the stickers off. And we're loosen up this stuff here because it's already wiping off. Just loosen up a little bit more, and it'll be good. So, I went on ahead and got some fresh water too while I was at it because I didn't want to, you know, put more on this side. So, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the front here. You guys can see all where that bugs and messes got all over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Go ahead and lather everything up. Now we're gonna get the brush here. Oh, that's nasty. Let's spray this off. But I got everything lathered up here for the front part, and then I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it off. Okay, so I've scrubbed everything down now, and now it's time to go and spray it off. Wow, that looks awesome. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Now it's just time to get the back sides here and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and lather everything up, and then we're going to get to it. Okay, so I went ahead and got the next part of it lathered up. Now it's time to get the brush out and scrape it good. Or clean it. Okay, everything is scrubbed down now. I'm going to go here and take it and spray it off. So, wow. She is actually clean. So I'm going to go in the house and get some stuff to wipe it down so it'll be dry so I can drive it. And be right back. Okay, she's dried off now. She looks fairly like new. I mean, it's not gonna look the best. I mean, I did just give it a quick rinse off, and I mean, I did scrub it and all, but it's not gonna look brand new. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get it on the truck here, and then do a few passes laps. So. Okay, now turn your receiver on for your car. Now, this is from the truck. Turn this. I've got to plug it in first. Really? So I'm gonna do this one-handed here. No. You guys can see that there. I'll put this rack back here. And then turn it on. Oh, she's alive. Set the body on. There we go. The body is on, and now we're going to put all the pins in. One, I think it's actually very clever of Arma to do this, because you won't lose your pins, well, unless yours breaks off like mine did. Oh, they're wet. It's hard to put them in when they're wet. So, it's the rubber on the thing slippery. And the only reason that mine pulled off like that is because I was pulling on the thing, my finger slipped, just like the charger. My finger slipped, it said right off of it. I was like, really? And they are actually kind of hard to pull out too. So. And then after I get done doing that, I just take this right here, pop it back on there, and flip it over. So, yeah, there you go. Now she's ready to drive. Wow, she really does look brand new though. Oh yeah, that grass is already tearing it up. Yeah, you know what? Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Just remember guys, I love you. Beautiful. Peace.